Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today we have two foldable treadmills that will keep you fit and active without taking up too much space. On the left, we have the How High Walking Pad Treadmill, and on the right, we have the Rhythm Fun Foldable Treadmill. Let's dive right in and see which one is the ultimate winner. When it comes to design, both treadmills have a foldable feature, making them perfect for small spaces. But let's talk about the How High Walking Pad Treadmill for a moment. It comes with a height-adjustable handrail, ensuring a comfortable and safe running experience. Plus, you can fold or unfold the armrest to enjoy a more flexible workout. It's like having a personal gym that adapts to your needs. On the other hand, the Rhythm Fun Foldable Treadmill boasts a wide running belt with a spacious running area. With its sleek and compact design, it's a great fit for home, apartment, or office use. No assembly required. Just take it out of the box and you're good to go. Now let's talk about performance. The How High Walking Pad Treadmill is equipped with a 2.5 HP motor, supporting speeds from 0.6 to 6.2 miles per hour. Whether you prefer walking, jogging, or running, you can easily adjust the speed to achieve your desired workout intensity. And here's the best part. It can support a user weight of up to 265 pounds. That's some serious durability. Meanwhile, the Rhythm Fun Foldable Treadmill comes with a powerful 2.5 horsepower motor, allowing you to run up to a maximum speed of 6.7 miles per hour. It also has a remote control for easy speed adjustment. But wait, there's more. You can connect it to the iPoofit app via Bluetooth and join course training for a more realistic running experience. Plus, you can use the phone holder to watch videos or chat with friends while you exercise. Talk about multitasking. Now let's dive into the features that set these treadmills apart. The How High Walking Pad Treadmill has a data reservation function. The LED screen displays your running speed, exercise time, distance covered, and calories burned. And here's the cool part. When you press the stop button on the remote control, your workout information is saved. So even if you take a water break, you continue where you left off without losing any data. It's like having your own personal fitness assistant. On the other hand, the Rhythm Fun Foldable Treadmill offers the convenience of the iPoofit app. You can control the treadmill, record your exercise data, and even run with other users. It's like having a virtual running club right in your living room. And don't forget, it also comes with a phone holder, so you can binge watch your favorite shows while getting fit. Talk about killing two birds with one stone. Both the How High Walking Pad Treadmill and the Rhythm Fun Foldable Treadmill have their own unique features and advantages. It ultimately comes down to your personal preferences and needs. And there you have it, folks. Both the How High Walking Pad Treadmill and the Rhythm Fun Foldable Treadmill have their own unique features and advantages. It ultimately comes down to your personal preferences and needs. But no matter which one you choose, you'll be on your way to a healthier and more active lifestyle. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. And as always, remember to buy smart.